What's going on, folks? Ted from Nerd Immersion here, and if you saw that freak thing where there was no audio in the last version of this video, that's OBS's fault for just turning off my microphone sources. That being said, we have resolution to the Gale Force 9 and Wizards of the Coast lawsuit legal battle. They have decided to settle amicably and continue their partnership, but there is an article on icv2.com where we can go ahead and read through exactly what is stated. So they will continue their partnership. Case was permanently dismissed in federal court Monday. That was the 8th of February, just a few days ago, at the request of the two companies. No award of fees or costs to either party. The lawsuit, which Gale Force 9 filed in November, sought to prevent Wizards of the Coast from terminating Gale Force 9's license to produce D&D products and an award of $950,000, fees, and other remedies. Gale Force 9's effort to maintain its license appears to have been successful. We are pleased to confirm that we have reached an amicable solution with Wizards of the Coast. Our ongoing partnership for Dungeons & Dragons will continue, and more news will follow at a later date. The settlement came after an initial ruling favorable to Wizards of the Coast. The ruling was on Gale Force 9's request for a restraining order that would prevent Wizards of the Coast from terminating Gale Force 9's licenses. In a report to the court, a federal magistrate judge recommended against granting the restraining order. He noted that Gale Force 9 had failed to clearly show that it was likely to suffer irreparable harm if the order wasn't granted, or that there was, quote, a likelihood that the case would succeed on the merits. The court adopted the magistrate judge's recommendations and denied the restraining order. The case could have proceeded to trial, but the parties settled in under 3 months from filing without discovery or expensive pretrial activities and are continuing the relationship. This is the second dispute between Wizards of the Coast and its licensees settled in recent weeks. WotC also recently settled a suit filed by Margaret Weiss and Tracy Hickman over the license to produce classic Dragonlance novels. So I think ultimately this is a positive thing for all of us. Gale Force 9 can continue to make Wizards of the Coast products, which is good if you prefer physical products, as that's what Gale Force 9 has typically done. If you're familiar with the spell cards, the campaign-specific DM screens, and things along those lines, the high-quality glue put together yourself and paint yourself minis, those are also from Gale Force 9. They do other things, but those are the ones that come to mind right now. So, again, I don't know what your thoughts are. I had only seen this article just earlier today, and this article was only posted on the 10th, so still 2 days after the proceedings and the kind of dissolution of the, or dissolvement rather, of this lawsuit. I don't know what this ultimately means, though. That was 2 lawsuits that were filed against licensing agreements with Wizards of the Coast. I don't know if there was a reasoning behind this, but both were resolved again, seemingly to the benefit of us as D&D fans, and that both are going to go forward, the licenses can continue, and the products can be produced. So if you like what you see here at Nerd Immersion, and you like seeing me do this kind of coverage of news or other things, please consider subscribing to the channel. It does help me out, and it'll help me reach my goal of 100,000 subscribers by my birthday in July. I also will have a link to this article in the video description if you'd like to check it out. I also will have a link to a video, or at least to a giveaway, where you can win one of these 2 custom-made by me dice towers that I made for $25 all told, including tools and materials. The giveaway link, it runs until tomorrow, the 12th of February, till 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. There are 2 giveaways. One of them comes with a custom set of dice from RPG Dice. And the video that I announced this giveaway in also teaches you how to make one of these for yourself, again, for under $25. And with Valentine's Day just around the corner, you still have plenty of time to run out, get materials and tools if needed, complete one of these, and wow your significant other, or just, make one for yourself. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.